What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this Luna Classic market update. We'll be covering Luna Classic. We'll be covering some new proposal I saw yesterday about the governance structure of Luna Classic, which I think could actually be pretty bullish. But I'm not 100% sure about that yet, and I think we'll also have to see that in the market. But apart from that, we'll also just talk about the Luna Classic technicals. All right, so we'll kind of take a look at Luna Classic just purely technically, and then we'll see how those fundamentals could change that. Because technically, it's definitely not looking bullish for Luna Classic. There are some other fundamentals that are not looking great either. So that's what we'll talk about. And first of all, I do hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're all having a great week. And if you're interested in these daily updates, consider subscribing, because I have been doing them daily for, well, almost 2 months now, I think. Volume is pretty steady of Luna Classic right now. Obviously, it went up a little bit yesterday because of the whole interest rate thing happening. Last week overall was more volume than the week before and the week before that. So that's amazing. Obviously, we had quite a lot of bullish momentum throughout the entire market. But yeah, let's dive right in. And I think it's important to start with the burn tax still, even though we're not burning a lot. We're burning a little. It's not too bad. It's not great either. And apart from that, right now we've burned through a total of 26 billion. So that's good, but compared to the total supply, it's almost nothing. It's like 0.33%. All right, a little bit more, 0.4% of the entire total supply. So not too much coming from that. If we then take a look at the technicals of Luna Classic, and then afterwards I'll talk about those fundamentals and how that could actually be bullish for the upcoming weeks. And for the technicals, I want to zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. What you can see is that yesterday, or today actually, we got some bearish confirmation. Yesterday or 2 days ago, we actually dropped down quite massively. Found some support from that 20,000 level, which is an amazing support level. But then we didn't really manage to hold 22,000 and 21,500 as a support level. And then today we got some bullish momentum, but we got a bearish rejection off of 22,500, as you can see, from the 0.5 fib. So what I expect for Luna Classic purely technically seen is that we will find resistance, and then at some point in the upcoming days that we will drop down to this level between 20,000 and 18,000. I think we'll hold 20,000 at first, but then afterwards we might just fall down a little bit more towards 18,000. So that's just purely what I expect technically, and I do think that somewhere within this level between 20,000 and 18,000, I do think we can get a nice bullish move. All right, I do think we can actually get like a 10-20% move from that level. That's 100% realistic, I think, because basically we're for Luna Classic to go up, and I've been saying this for weeks. We either need a strong technical level or we need bullish fundamentals, right? So now let's talk about the fundamentals, which I think could be bullish. And that is this new proposal I saw about a decentralized governance structure. All right. So they want to appoint a general counsel that will serve as a CCO. We will manage the creation of a decentralized legal structure, constitution and contracting required for the organization to be self-sufficient, decentralized, and create policies and procedures with transparency at the heart of all decisions. So yeah, I mean, basically it's better decentralization. And why that is amazing, or why that could be bullish, is because the Luna Classic has an amazing community, and I think that community holds a lot of the tokens of Luna Classic. So practically what more decentralization could mean is more strength behind, or more proposals around better burns, all right, and just better price mechanisms behind Luna Classic. And the whole entire Bullrun Luna Classic had was because of the burn tax proposal. All right, so this, in my opinion, increases the likelihood of having more amazing proposals, and I think that's what we need. So therefore, even though this is technically what I expect, what is most likely, but if this actually passes through, there's actually a slight chance that we'll get some sort of a rally. And I really mean that. I mean, most of you know me, I'm realistic about that. And I think that's possible, and I think right now we're pretty early with thinking about it in that way. And we could be quick with it, but obviously it could also just not have an effect at all. Right now, we also have the ability for proposals. This would just increase the likelihood, I think. But it's something to think about, I think, and it's important. And overall, I think it's bullish for Luna Classic. But just wanted to share that with you as well. So let me know what you think about that. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. And take care today, and bye.